Hi, welcome. Today I'm going to show you how to make Rasta pasta with shrimp. This is a meal that is very easy to prepare, and in less than 15 minutes you could make yourself a meal that you feel proud to make. I want you to watch all the steps because I have a special ingredient that would take your pasta to the next level. Step 1, I want you to wash your shrimp with lemon or vinegar. Then you're gonna pat dry your shrimp, add some season, which would be all-purpose and fish season. That is the season I use to season mine. Okay? Then you're gonna put that aside. Step 2, you want to make sure you have some boiling water. Add a half teaspoon of salt and a tablespoon of oil. At this point, you're gonna add your pasta to the boiling water. And the oil will help prevent your pasta from sticking together. Now, you're gonna allow your pasta to cook for 7 minutes, no more than 7 minutes. When you reach that 7 minutes, you're gonna remove your pasta from the boiling water and run it under some cold water. The cold water will stop the cooking process. Okay? Then you're going to put your pasta aside, and now we're going to go over to step 3. Step 3 is preparing your shrimp. Now you're going to hot your pan, add a tablespoon of oil, and then you're going to add the shrimp to your pan, the hot pan and the hot oil, of course. Then you're going to cook your shrimp on each side for only 1 minute, then remove from your pan. At this point, after you remove your shrimp, you're gonna add a tablespoon of butter of your choice. Then you're gonna add your garlic and your bell pepper and toss it for a minute or 2. Step 4, add your 3 cups of coconut milk, 1 cup of water to your pan. Now you're gonna bring it to a boil. When it reaches the boiling point, you're gonna add your pasta. Now, after adding your pasta, let it simmer for a minute or 2. Then you're gonna go in and add your cheese. Add 1/4 cup of cheddar and 1/4 cup of mozzarella cheese. At this point, you want to mix all your ingredients in, stirring all and get all the good flavors together. Now I'm going to go in with my special ingredient, which is my jerk sauce. Now I'm using 1 tablespoon of jerk sauce. In total, I end up using 1.5. It is spicy, so you add to your preference. Okay, then stir everything together. Now I'm going to add some Parmesan cheese to give another kick. And this is going to give your pasta that creamy flavor that you want to have when you're eating your pasta. Up to this point, it's only take 12 minutes, so it's very easy, no time hustle, very quick. 12 minutes approximately take me to prepare this dish, and it was worth the 12 minutes, guys. Hope you enjoyed this video. See you on the next video, and I hope to see you guys subscribe, like, and comment. And don't forget to share. Okay? Thank you for watching DLF TV. Have a blessed day.